Hello, friends. I will tell you about Ford's new fast and sporty model, Mustang Mach 1. In the meantime, friends, please subscribe to my channel. Considering its capability, the Mach 1 is relatively comfortable. Aside from the typical road and exhaust noise levels found in high-performance cars, there's little to complain about. Adjustable dampers allow for a softer ride on the highway and can be switched to sport or track settings for more enthusiastic driving. Rougher roads can expose the firmness of the suspension, but it's never harsh or overbearing. The 2023 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is only available as a coupe. The Mustang offers both 4-cylinder and V8 engines, both available with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic transmission. No matter which model you choose, the Mustang sends every bit of its power to the rear wheels only. The Mach 1's dual-zone automatic climate control system is also a strong point. While some older drivers may not like the aggressive bolstering in the optional Recaro seats, they do a great job of holding you in place during fast driving. Ford's Coyote 5.8 features cylinder bores that measure 92.2 mm in diameter, with an effective stroke of 92.7 mm, while operating upon an 11.0 compression ratio. These figures prove ample enough for the 5.0L Coyote 5.8 to muster a total rated output of 480 horsepower, 7,250 revolutions per minute, and 410 lb-ft of torque, 4,800 revolutions per minute. It has 13.5 cubic feet of trunk, which is quite large for a performance coupe. The automatic-equipped Mach 1 is rated at 18 mpg, 15 city 23 highway, slightly better than the combined 17 mpg, 14 city 22 highway, for the standard 6-speed manual model. Premium fuel is required. Audio, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay are standard and work very well, even allowing you to keep smartphone navigation active while listening to terrestrial or satellite radio. The Mach 1's performance driver aids are well sorted. Few sports coupes can match the Mustang Mach 1's poise and capability. Making the most of its 480 horsepower V8 and 10-speed automatic transmission, the test Mach 1 hit 100 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds and covered the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. Seconds at 112.8 mph. Whether you choose the standard 6-speed manual or the 10-speed automatic transmission, it's hard to go wrong, as both are designed to deliver ease of driving and maximum performance. Braking performance is even more impressive. The Mach 1 stopped from 60 miles per hour in just 94 feet, recording one of the best stopping distances we've ever seen. Part of that stopping power came from the optional super sticky tires from the available handling package our test car was equipped with. But even without them, the braking system of the Mach 1 is excellent in all situations. Mach 1 also excels on twisty roads. In our skid pad test, we saw an astounding 1.10 G, putting it among more expensive sports cars. The Mach 1 retains all the usability of the standard Mustang. Interior storage space is also the same as the standard Mustang. Good luck, friends.